If you want to turn off sync in OneNote, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your sync settings so OneNote stops syncing automatically and only syncs when you want it to. This is helpful if you want more control over your notebooks, reduce background syncing, or troubleshoot sync issues. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Let's jump in. First, open OneNote on your computer. Once OneNote is open, go to the top left corner and click File. This opens the Backstage menu where you can manage account, notebook, and sync settings. Next, select Information. In some versions, this may simply appear as info, so don't worry if the wording looks slightly different. After that, look for the View Sync Status button and click it. This is the section that shows you how your notebooks are currently syncing and gives you control over sync behavior. A new window will appear called Shared Notebook Synchronization. In this window, look for the section labeled How should we sync your notebooks? This is where OneNote lets you choose whether syncing happens automatically or manually. Select the option for Sync Manually. Choosing Manual Sync means OneNote will not keep syncing in the background all the time, giving you more control over when updates are sent and received. Once you've selected Sync Manually, click Close to save and exit the window. That's it. You've now turned off automatic sync in OneNote and switched to manual syncing. If you ever want to change it back later, you can return to the same sync status settings and select automatic syncing again. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.